Hey, I'm Angelique Marketing from Uplifted Inspirations. I paint furniture and home decor, and I'm also a premier retailer for Dixie Belle mineral chalk paint. I wanted to show you how to paint one of these vinyl bar stools right here. And yeah, my cat's been having a lot of fun on this, and probably some of my painting. I scrub it really, really well, and I make sure that I get rid of the white lightning with water afterwards. Otherwise, it will continue to activate, which is not good. As you can see, I have these deep scratches right here, so I'm sanding them down just a little just to get some of the rough edges off. It's not going to be perfect right there, but you know, better than buying a new one. So here I'm using drop cloth by Dixie Belle. A really perfect color for this chair. It's almost the same, maybe a tiny bit darker, but it's, I mean, if you look at it like this, it almost perfectly blends in. Here I'm roughing everything up a little bit, sanding everything down a little bit just to smooth the edges. I do it very light. As you can see, it already looks a lot cleaner. You can still see the spot right here is what it is. So I try to rough everything up a little bit more, especially on that spot, but everything will get smoothed out a little bit. And then I wipe it down with a moist rag. So I decided to mix a little bit of sea spray, which is for texture usually, and I'm mixing it with a little bit of my drop cloth paint and just a tiny little bit. You know, I don't know how long it'll last, but it's better than looking at a scratch. So I just decided to do this. It's probably temporarily. We'll see. I'll try to keep it very thin. I'll sand it down pretty thin. Another thin coat. And here I'm taking a hairdryer because I'm impatient. Sanding a little bit more to smooth out the rough edges. And well, I was going to wax, but somebody wants to play. My is the Best Dang Wax by Dixie Belle. And believe it or not, this will actually keep the paint from coming off. Wasn't this easy? I'm just kind of smoothing it out. I'm just using paper towel, but you can use any kind of cloth. Look at that, not bad, right? It's not perfect, but it's pretty close. It's way better than it was. And this is actually one that doesn't have a scratch in the middle. Just wanted to show you guys that one. And here are all 4 of them. I mean, doesn't that look amazing? They look brand new, and not just on this video, they look brand new in real life. I'm so happy that I did this, and I hope that maybe you can do the same thing. Try it out. And you guys have a great day. Like I said, this is Angelique from Uplifted Inspirations. I'd love for you to follow me. If you know any other DIYers, please share this video. And I'm trying to grow my small business, and any shares will help with my algorithm. So yeah, I would appreciate that. You guys have a great day. All right, bye-bye.